This lesson is going to be looking at writing equations in the form point slope. Point slope form uses exactly that, a point and a slope of a line to write the actual equation of a line. So we have the point slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, where x1, y1 are the ordered pairs of the point that is on the line, and just as before, the m is the value of the slope. So you might see a question like this, where it says write the equation of a line that has a slope of 3 and passes through the point 2, 5. Now remember, the value of m is our slope, which is 3, and then we know that this is x1, y1. So when we have our point slope form, it was y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So if you go ahead and substitute in here, you would have y minus 5 equals 3 times x minus 2. And that would be our equation for our in point slope form for the line. Sometimes you will be asked to take that equation from the point slope form and rewrite it into the form that's easier to graph, which would be the slope-intercept form. So to do that, you want to start by using the distributive property. So if you're starting with the point slope equation, y minus 5 equals 3 times x minus 2, I want to use the distributive property and distribute the 3 to both numbers that are inside the parentheses. So I would have y minus 5 equals 3 times x, which is 3x, minus 3 times 2, which is 6. So now I can use this to isolate the y, because remember, slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b, where the y is isolated. So to isolate the y, I have to get rid of the minus 5. To get rid of the minus 5, I have to do the opposite, which is plus 5. So I want to add 5 to both sides. Minus 5 plus 5 are opposites. They cancel each other out, and I'm left then with y. And then I would have the 3x, because I didn't do anything with it, and then minus 6 plus 5 leaves me with negative 1. So in slope-intercept form, the equation for the same line would be y equals 3x minus 1.